Since the dawn of civilization, classification began. Not scientific criteria, but human need was the plan. Food, shelter, clothing, use decided the class. Instinctive grouping, not science and math. Aristotle was first to think in a scientific way. Use morphology simple to classify that day. Plants into trees, shrubs, herbs, three animals divided by blood, red or not see. Then came Linnaeus with systems so neat. Two kingdoms only, plantae, animalia complete. All plants in plantae, animals in animalia frame. But many organisms didn't fit the name. No difference between prokaryote and eukaryote seen. Unicellular, multicellular, mixed in between. Photosynthetic algae and fungi, non-green. All grouped wrongly, flaw was key. So need was felt for criteria more. Cell structure, wall, nutrition and more. Habitat, reproduction, illusion line. Thus classification changed with time. Ray Trace all, tentative info. R.H. Whittaker, 1969. Proposed 5 kingdoms, scientific line. Monera, Protista, fungi to see. Plantae and Animalia, total 5B. Criteria strong, remember the base. Cell structure, body organization plays. Mode of nutrition, reproduction. 2, phylogenetic relationship, evolution. Pew. 3, domain system later came. Monera split, domains changed name. 6 kingdoms formed, higher class tail, but need focus. 5 kingdoms prevail. Earlier plants included bacteria, fungi, all. Cell wall was reason, incorrect call. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes together kept. Unicellular, multicellular, wrongly swept. Thus 5 kingdom fixed the flaw, based on function, structure and law. H3 song, why reclassification was needed. Earlier algae and fungi under patriarchy. Nutrition difference completely slept. Fungi heterotrophic, plants autotroph. Cell wall tight and grass, cellulose big drop. Bacteria and blue-green algae, prokaryote type. Placed wrongly with eukaryote stripe. Protista formed to solve the mess. Unicellular eukaryotes in one dress. Chlamydomonas, chlorella came with amoeba, paramecium same. Cell wall present, wall absent, varied, but nucleus true, criterion carried. Classification evolves as knowledge grows. Morphology, physiology, reproduction shows. Phylogenetic base is now the aim. Evolution, relationship, the game. Chapter focus now clearly told. Monera, Protista, fungi we hold. Plantae, Animalia later read. Separate chapters ahead. Page 4 song, kingdom, meta induction. Kingdom, Monera, bacteria alone. Most abundant, life ever known. Handful soil has hundreds there. Everywhere present land, water, air. Extreme habitats, no fear inside. Hot springs, desert, snow, ocean wide. Some live freely, some parasitic roll. Inside or on organisms whole. Based on shape, 4 groups defined. Coccus spherical, round aligned. Bacillus rod shape, straight and tall. Flivrio, curve small. Spirillum, spiral, twist design. Figure 2.1, remember sign. Page 5 song, bacterial metabolism and reproduction. Structure simple, behavior complex. Metabolic diversity at max flex. Autotroph synthesize, food their own. Photosynthetic or chemosynthetic zone. Most bacteria heterotroph pined. Depend on others, get matter find. Archaebacteria, special type. Extreme salt, heat, marshy side. Alkyl, salty, thermowashi, defile spot. Methanogen sponge, methane plot. Humanethas, they live inside. Biogas formation, dung supply. Production mainly by fission straight. Unfavorable time, spores create. DNA transfer, primitive sex. Bacterial alienation. Mycoplasma, smallest cell known. No cell wall, oxygen not shown. Pathogenic nature, note this line. Important need, point to side. 6 song, kingdom, Protista over you. Protista holds single cell eukaryotes all. Boundaries unclear, debates recall. Photosynthetic protist, all plant confused. here. Humanoids, slime, molds appear, protozoans too. In this clan, mostly aquatic lifespan. True nucleus, men-p, ordinal set, flagella, cilia movement, get asexual and sexual, both they do. Cell fusion, cycle formation too. Cause of item, tenophotilates, and some fight include diatoms bright. Golden algae, this mix inside. Freshwater